Hi, my name is Douglas McCoy. I'm the author of over 19 books, including the How Cool series of books, which is the world's first series of books tailored specifically for right and left brain readers. So when I grew up, I didn't like reading much, but of course with right and left brain reading, the way I've written the books these days, I fill it with bright, funny coloured cartoons, so it attracts and it makes an indelible impression into your mind as you read and enjoy reading a lot more. So I've done that, and people call me the Recreation King because I've been able to teach people how to recreate themselves, take themselves from where they are to where they dream of being. What we're going to share with you today is an exciting webinar to teach you about the importance of what you think. What have been your thoughts over the last hour, couple of hours, over the last day, maybe over the last weeks or months, even the last years, because what you're thinking is attracting into your life what you're getting out of life. You are the creator of your life. You've been given this incredible world, you've been given this incredible mind and body, and now it's up to you to use that to create whatever life you dream of having. And you are in control of that. Who's in control? You are. You control the life that you're attracting into yourself by your thoughts. Your thoughts are like prayers. They are your prayers. They're what you dream into your mind. They're what you're telling your 100 trillion cells and intelligences that obey you. They're what you're telling the universe and you're telling God. They're your prayers, what you're asking. The very thoughts and the things that you're attracting into your mind and thinking about are your prayers. So if you're not happy with what you're getting out of life, you have to change what you're asking for. All through the scriptures it says, ask and ye shall receive. So what you ask for is what you get, and what you're thinking is what you're asking for. So if you want to change your life, you need to change the way you think about things, and you'll attract a different result into your life. Is that exciting? Of course it is. You know, in our life, some of the most important things that you have to control and to develop is your self-image, your self-confidence, your self-belief, your self-esteem. These are so valuable to you. What we're going to share with you over the next half hour is about your self-image and your self-expectations. What are you expecting out of life? What do you want out of life? If you can't name it, it's not going to be created so easily. It's just going to be what comes along in life. But if you can dream up the incredible dreams and see yourself achieving them, if you can have this amazing expectation, which I hope to show you through a couple of little amazing stories, the expectations that you have in life are changing and bringing you the results that you're receiving. One of the great thoughts that I'm going to share with you is that of my wage. That I bargained with life for a penny, and life would pay no more. However, I begged at evening when I counted my scanty store. For life is a just employer. It gives you what you ask. But once you have set the wages, then you must bear the task. I work for a menial's hire, only to learn dismayed that any wage I'd asked of life, life would have paid. Do you understand that? Whatever you're asking in life is exactly what you're attracting into your life. You are obtaining in life your most dominant thoughts. Some of you blokes are thinking, man, I might turn into a woman. But anyway, whatever we're thinking about most of the time is what we're going to attract into our lives. So enjoy your thoughts, because what you're doing is spiritually creating them before they become into your reality. You are responsible for where you are today. You're responsible for what you've achieved and what you haven't achieved. You're responsible for your happiness. Your happiness is a choice. It's a matter of your self-image, your self-confidence, your self-respect, your self-beliefs. If I can get you to understand that and help you understand the expectations that you have as you listen to these stories of Hervé Riel out of history, how he helped save France and he was offered whatever he wanted in life and he chose a holiday with his wife. The second is the story of the famous Elizabeth Taylor, the actress. And I'll let the stories talk for themselves, but realize whatever your expectations are is what you're attracting into your life. Please help me understand that, because that is what's going to change your life. Get you a millionaire mind magnet, thinking the way that you want to think, because you're in control of it, because thinking what you want to think is asking and receiving into your life through picturing, acting, relaxing, and the methods that we're teaching you through our Millionaire Mind Magnet program. Enjoy this little webinar as we go through this together, and take notes and change your life. Let us recreate yourself to take you from where you are to where you dream of being. I look forward to changing your attitude and recreating your life just through the principles we're going to share with you over the next 30 minutes. Enjoy it.